Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, the altcoin show, coming at you daily, as it did turn out 6 days a week, because yesterday we weren't able to get the show out. We had some technical difficulties, but here we are today, and I want to thank you wherever you are tuning in from around the world. Thanks for watching. And today we are going to talk about some meme coins. We're going to talk about some meme coins that I'm trading. We've got some meme coin giveaways, the Christmas giveaway for the community here, as well as we're going to look at some charts. We're going to talk about, is it too late to get into some of these plays? And if so, where maybe there could be some entries. We're also going to go through some of the common errors that people have faced, and I have troubleshooted a lot of those, and I've added those to the cheat sheet to help you execute some of these trades, because I know some of you have had difficulty there, and I get a lot of posts in the comment section below. But before we do all of that, you know what I'm going to say, smash the like button. This does help get this channel out to more people and does help support the channel. And I do appreciate all of the kind words and encouragement that is left below in the comment section. I so appreciate that. I read and respond to every single one of those, as well as the questions that get asked in the comment section. I do get back to those as soon as I am able to, with the emphasis on as soon as I am able to, okay? And of course, if you have not signed up for the Discord, I have links for the Discord and a bunch of other links and resources below in the description of this video and every video. If you were to click, you might need to click on the more button. It'll pop out the description. And the most amazing people on the planet are in the Stocks with Josh Discord. I am in the crypto channel there daily, interacting, engaging, providing education and entertainment. Because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? And we also now have a meme chat in there that is an absolute party zone. And of course, I have my own Crowned Traders channel in there where I give the coins that I'm trading and entries and take profits, and a whole bunch of other stuff that I share in there as well. So do yourself a favor, invest in yourself, and I would love to see you in there. I also have my X account below as well, which you're going to need to be following me on to be eligible for, as part of the eligibility for these giveaways. Okay, so we're going to jump into the show. Well, we have already jumped into the show, but there's my Twitter. I keep, X. I'm going to say X there. And so make sure you're following me there. Crypto Coins 365. You can see my YouTube tagged in there at Tribal Trades. There, a bunch of posts there that we're going to jump into some of these things in just a moment. But of course, Sonic the Snipe bot did 75x in just 10 days. And of course, who could have told you about this incredible project and coin? I gave the entry when it was at 2 cents. It went to $1.55, currently around a 75x. And rising, of course, after I posted that, there was a little bit of a pullback, which was just an opportunity to buy the dip. And I did manage to buy each of my children a little bit of Sonic at $1.05. Remember, I bought this token personally at 2 cents. And I was going in there and thought, I don't have any for my kids. And I set them all up with their own Sui wallets and they with their own email addresses, and have bought some Sonic for them at $1.05, and I sent it over to their wallets, and now they also are part of the challenge of the 1K to 100,000K challenge. The coins that I am trading from the Sui Meme Challenge, I have listed in my cheat sheet, because my cheat sheet is my roadmap to crypto success, and you can find it all there in that. Now, that cheat sheet is also in the Discord, but it also can be found in a video from last month. So you're going to have to go back to shoot back a month, go back to November, okay? Sometime in November, mid-November, find there, click that link on the cheat sheet while it is still available there, save that link, and obviously you will have access to that link. Okay, so you can see here some of the plays that we've had, tons of stuff, the newest plays. Look at the Sonic trade, absolutely smashed it. It gave the entry at 2 cents. I actually gave it again at 6 cents, by the way. And for those that missed it at 2 cents, and then it took off like a rocket ship. I gave the trade at 20 cents again on the Discord and said, hey guys, and it went all the way up, and we just ran out. We just ran out of space. It took on a life of its own and continued to go. There's only 10 million supply, and we got up to $1.54 there. I'm going to have to add some new levels for if you're looking to get in on this trade, and we're going to actually chart this on the show. And I do need to update the cheat sheet. These prices are moving faster than I am able to keep it updated. I might need to get some help on that. But of course, the Sui Mon trade, this absolutely crushed it. This absolutely obliterated. This way past. This went way. I did 1,000%. The Susi trade, the Sui Jack trade, the Sweet trade, which is like a Sonic. It is a trading bot, and they have only 10 million supply, like Banana Gun as well. Remember, Banana Gun went to $80. That's possible because of a small supply of only 10 million tokens ever to be in existence. There, it is capped. Okay, so that's absolutely incredible there. And they do share their revenue, like Sonic, share their revenue. This is just incredible. This is just the way to set up a token. Generosity. That's why I love this. They revenue share their tokens to the most loyal and top holders are able to get a share of the revenue once a week, and that is dispersed. I believe it's maybe even, I don't know how much percentage of their revenue. I would have to check. I know I have been told and sent the details, but I do forget. But anyway, so there are some of the trades on the cheat sheet. You can also get the education section here of the cheat sheet. Look, I've got all the videos here. Before you ask a question on the YouTube comments, watch these 4 videos. It will all be answered. If it's not answered there, it will be answered here in the Sui wallet common errors. Mostly it's because you don't have any Sui in your wallet and you can't process the transaction. So there's a bunch of things here as well. And then we have some frequently asked questions here. I'll bridge that out. And some answers to those, the most frequently asked questions. And if I get some more frequently asked questions, I'll add them and update them here so you can see I'm looking out for the community on that. And we also have a Sonic giveaway. And so we have the Sonic giveaway as well, which is incredible. And so, and we do want to actually help our friends at Sonic out as well. They're looking to get a Maxi listing. If you could go to this post here on Tribal Trades, on the Tribal Trades X, I reposted Sonic the Snipe bot. If you can repost this, tag Maxi official in there, and let's see if we can get them listed on MX Maxi, because that is going to help out our friends over at Sonic, and that is going to help out our community. And we do have some Sonic coins, tokens. Now, since the Sonic team have committed to give these tokens, they have gone up in value, let me tell you. I believe they might have committed to provide these tokens to the community when it was well under $1. I think it was like at about 30 cents, 20 cents. I don't know, maybe even lower. And so these tokens have gone up in value quite a bit. And so we're going to be giving these out. We're not going to just give one big block of tokens out to one holder. We're going to share as much love as possible out, and we're going to begin those daily giveaways very soon. So make sure that you're watching every day to be part of those giveaways. Okay, so let's talk about some of the tokens that let's look at the Sonic. First of all, let's look at the Sonic chart. First of all, our previous range of Fibonacci's, we just melted through that. This was the previous range, and then we've got a previous range, which was all the way back here around about 2 cents and 6 cents. So we've left that behind. This range still a little bit relevant here. We've got some Fibonacci's that might actually share the same numerical value, which can be, but this is where I bought right here. This is probably me in one of these wicks where I bought some for my kids at about $1.05, wick down. I managed to pick some up. So obviously this is a real demand zone right here. It has held as support. And so as I've taught, I look to buy confirmed support. I know I'm looking at the 4 hour, but I would break it down to either 15-minute or the 5-minute chart there. And that is where you buy, because you get, well, you wouldn't buy there, you buy on confirmed support. And there is some confirmed support there as well. But if you're dollar cost averaging in, of course, I'm just picking this up on dips. And I know I'm talking to several people, and every time it comes down to or around $1, they are just picking up this token. And of course, I do expect it to get an exchange listing, by the way. I would be very shocked if it didn't. And if that happens, the price is going to really, really jump as soon as people find out that this really could be the next banana gun. And remember, I shared banana gun with this community when it was $29. I was a little bit late to the banana gun party, by the way. I got it at $29. Imagine if I got it at $1. And right now, it's at $1.11. Would I pick it up right at $1.11, or would I wait for $1.07? Look, if I'm just dollar cost averaging, I could just probably grab some here. But you can set buy orders in the Cetus app. I know a lot of you use the Hop app. If you don't know what I'm talking about, see my videos. But in the Sui wallet, there are different aggregators where you can buy these. You connect your Sui wallet in the Sui wallet to these. And Cetus actually have buy, limit, and sell orders. I am going to do a deeper dive on that in case you do want to set some buy and sell limit orders. I don't believe there's a stop limit in there. So there's no, you are the stop loss if you do want to stop out of a trade. But honestly, this year, I'm putting in money that I can afford to lose. I'm not risking money that I cannot afford to lose. And so there you go. And so there's with the Sonic trade. Obviously, if we break above $1.17 and then retest the support, that's where I would probably add some more there as well. But this looks like, oh, somebody tell me what this pattern looks like here. I know right here, we got a little bit of a bull flag pattern happening here. If you can see that forming, and we could actually range in here for a little while, and this could be accumulation period there. Certainly, if we were to lose this $1.05, there's these long wicks down here to 91 cents, and I think that could be another, and there is a Fibonacci level there right at 91. So that would be my other area that I would put in for a buy order there, and I think I'll set that up on Cetus just in case there is a little bit of a drop. And remember, all these giveaways that we're doing, I did not receive a single token myself or any kind of payment or remuneration. Just love for this community that we have built together, over 8,000 subscribers strong, and all the Discord family as well. You are just incredible, and this is just a big thank you from me to all of you to be able to give away as many tokens as I'm able to give from these incredible friends of the channel and that have been so gracious to donate these tokens. And so I want to get this out to every single one of you out there, okay? And so that's the Sonic trade there. I really like the setup there. Now, the next one is Sweet. This one here is actually a competitor to, now there's no giveaway for Sweet just yet, although if they're happy to give away some tokens on the channel, I would love to share that. This is a little bit lower. Now, I think they're only sniping on the Sui blockchain. So I do like Sonic a whole lot more because, one, they are on so many different chains. I believe that there could be I shared a list on my X account. Actually, I believe there's 20 chains that you can trade using this trading bot. And I have seen a live demo of this, and it is awesome. It is awesome. A lot of the errors that some people get in the Sui wallet, you don't get with the trading bot because it snipes those entries exactly and then snipes out of them very quickly. So I really love the trading bot. And at some point in the future, as I start using it and learning it, I'm probably going to share a tutorial here at some point and add it to the education section there. But I've got to start using it myself, learning how to use it, get better at it. And then once I master this, then I will send it through and we'll do a video on that at some point coming forward. But you can see here right now, we're kind of coming down to this Fibonacci level here at about 18 cents. That's the 618. That's where I would look to pick up some more as long as that level holds. Otherwise, we have this level coming down at 15 and we got 13.10. And then, you got this 5 cent level here with Sweet. And so there would be some areas there. And of course, these guys get on exchange. That would be big as well. And certainly that's something that could take place. Of course, there are no guarantees, only probabilities. I'm still a holder of Sweet. I'm still a holder, of course, of Sonic. And I would look at picking up some more here around this 18 cent level there. If we did break above this 21 cent level, then I would look at grabbing a little bit more there as well if that holds as support. Remember, we're looking to buy confirmed support and sell the rejection at resistance, confirmed resistance. Although if you're holding for the long term, of course, you can ride these little waves there. That's why I have the 2 separate wallets, and I go through that in one of my educational videos. I have the HODL wallet and I have the swing trade wallet. So my HODL, I can just keep holding through all the ups and downs of my swing trade. I can be taking profits, jumping back in on support, selling at resistance, buying at support, selling at resistance, and so on. Okay, I want to talk about one of the other friends of this channel, Susi, and this trade went like an absolute rocket ship up into space, and you can see what happened with this trade. I ran out of places to go with this. We just took off. We're at a second Fibonacci level here as well. I'm going to have to break this down to see where we could possibly have some entries here on this trade. And of course, right now we've just broken down below this 004 level. If we were to break above that, retest as support, that could be an entry if you were late to the party, or maybe if it comes down to this 30.0036 level, or even further 0031 level. Of course, we want to buy confirmed support. Now, if you're card watch and you just want to put on those trades and do the dollar cost average strategy, that's fine as well. And really with this one that has shot up so much, and again, this looks like it's forming a bit of a bull flag pattern here. There's the flag pole, there is the flag, which would mean another breakout could be imminent there. These bull flags do have a 67% success rate of breaking out, so it has a better chance of breaking out than it doesn't. And so if we look at this pattern here with the Susi, and we are doing Susi giveaway, we have got some giveaway tokens that are going to be out. And I'm going to share in just a moment how you can be eligible to give away. But again, the just in case strategy is to buy a little bit of a bag, either at here, if it breaks above retest support, or down here, and then just put some orders down a little bit lower. You might put, if you want to buy $500 worth, you might buy 100 here and 100 there, 100 there, and 100 if it gets down there. That can be a way that you would do it. A just in case bag means you got some skin in the game in case this takes off as a rocket ship into space, and just in case it dumps hard, you're not overexposed to it at that one level, and you can actually dollar cost average down your position and add to your position there in buying in the dip. The other one here is Sui Jack. We also have some giveaways for this. Again, this looks like a bull flag here. It doesn't look like it is a bull flag, I should say that. There's the flag pole, there is the flag. This one is looking epic, I'm telling you. These are the Wojak. I've traded the Wojak coin. It got to 100 million market cap. They have already the exchange listings partnerships through Wojak. I'm extremely bullish on this. I don't even know if we get a pullback to these levels down here at all. It just gets eaten up. And so again, the just in case bag there are some levels there. Obviously, if it comes down to 3036 or 3028 or even 3021, those dips have just been absolutely eaten up. And so even here, if it breaks above 3040, a break and a retest on there, that could be a trade. I know it's at the top, but that's what happens with bull flags. They break out and they're gone. And so a just in case bag buy there, like if you got $100, maybe you throw 30 at it there or 50 at it there or something like that. But then you have some dry powder in case it drops down a little bit lower there. All right, that's all we have time to share with today. But for eligibility for all of this, you need to be following me on Twitter. You need to be subscribed to this YouTube channel, and you need to be following all of the partners who are giving away tokens freely to the community, which is Susi. I'll put all the links below for all their X handles, which is Susi, Sui Jack, Susi, Sui Jack, Sonic, and of course, a new one that we have, which I am going to share about on tomorrow's show. We also have another partner there as well, and we're going to update there. All right, until the next episode, happy trading.